Chapter 3, Separation of Substances. Now let's see why do we have to separate things. Basically we have to get desirable and undesirable items, and we have to separate pure and impure items. So we go for separation. Matter is divided into pure and impure. Pure means it is made up of same kind of elements or compounds. If it's impure means it's a mixture. Any items occupy space and having weight is called matter. If it is divided into small, we get atoms, smaller particles. And homogeneous mixture is components are not visible, as in the case of sugar water. Heterogeneous means the components are clearly visible. Now let's see how we can separate solid from solid. The first option is hand picking. Visible items can be picked by our hand. Second option is threshing. Spreading and beating on a surface, we can separate things. Thirdly, winnowing. Separation with the help of wind. And fourthly, sieving. We use a sieve to separate things. Now let's see about how we can separate solid from a liquid. A solution means solute plus solvent. Solute means the solid content. Solvent means the liquid content. If solvent is more, it is called dilute solution. If the solute is more, it is called concentrated solution. Now let's see the separation techniques. Evaporation, by removal of water content into water vapor. And we have filtration. We use a filter to separate residue. Then we have sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation, we allow them to settle down, the waste will settle down. Decantation, without disturbing the bottom portion, we convert into a next bottle so that we can separate. Next is loading. We make the suspended impurities weighted and separate. Churning or centrifugation, we separate things by rotating in high speed. Now let's see how we can separate liquid from liquid. If the liquid is completely mixed together, it's called miscible. We use distillation process. Here separation is done by evaporation and condensation simultaneously. If the liquid are not completely mixed, it is called immiscible liquid, so that we can see layers. So we use a separating funnel with a stopper so that we can separate things. I hope the portion is clear.